So the rationale for the Bitesize event was very much that we could bring together the private sector, the public sector, the civic sector to solve very particular challenges within their individual sectors, which is very much about trying to get the grit out of the system. It's about saying, how can we overcome some of these challenges to take the next step? We've done a lot of the easy wins, a lot of the low-hanging fruit. What we're interested in now is how do we get the next challenging bits, whether they're regulatory, they're about business models, whether it's new technology, about behavior change, and trying to bring the expertise, the practitioners, the experts together to move forward. And that's where I see the opportunity. Scotland has a huge amount to offer globally. We have demonstrably been able to reduce emissions. We've met our 2020 targets, which were very challenging. We've met those 5 or 6 years early. We are absolutely at the forefront in terms of decarbonising our electricity sector. So there is actually a huge amount of know-how across different sectors in Scotland about how we can help other countries. And so we believe very firmly that there is an opportunity to take this Scottish know-how and help other countries, either through commercial exports or through just know-how and supporting other countries as they take these challenges. So to us, it's one of the hearts of this process is how can we support many other countries who have taken on challenging targets but don't really know how they're going to actually deliver on them over the medium term. The outcome of this event that we want is very much some very clear key messages coming out of each of the sector workshops with a clear target audience that we can then work with going forward over the next few months. So it's very much about saying if we've got key messages and a target audience, whether it's for government, whether it's for business, whether it's for civic society, whether it's for academics and experts, how do we take those messages, develop them, work with others and in partnership to try and make those things happen. So we will then work with our partners to then communicate those messages. But the key thing from today is we need these key, clear, specific messages coming out of the workshops with a set of target audiences. And once we've got that, I'll be happy and we'll have delivered what we're trying to do with this Bitesize event.